Hi viewers, and welcome to Breaking Down Nigerian Pidgin English. Today we're going to distinguish between to and enough in Nigerian Pidgin English. To basically means that it is more than what is wanted or what is needed, so it's usually a negative thing. Enough, on the other hand, tells us that it is the amount that we want and we need. It's the right quantity, and that is a positive thing. In Nigerian Pidgin English, to describe a person or thing with to, we can use the word to itself and an adjective the same way it is used in English. For example, she is too tall. She dey too tall. The TV is too big. The TV dey too big. Or the words die, anyhow, pieces, gone, WELLA can take the place of to in the sentence, but in an inverted form coming after the adjective. Instead of saying too tall, we will say things like tall, die. Too big becomes big, pieces. Big, gone, big, WELLA. Okay? For enough, we say dey enough or no dey enough. Dey enough means enough. For example, the food dey enough, which means the food is enough. No dey enough means not enough. For example, your apology no dey enough. Your apology is not enough. Other ways you can say these sentences is by the introduction of the word rich in the sentence. The word rich in this case means enough in Nigerian Pidgin English. When we introduce the negation no to the word rich, it means not enough, which is no rich. Let's look at some examples. The food rich. The food is enough. Your apology no rich. Your apology is not enough. Let's look at more examples. You no tall reach for me. You're not tall enough for me. The speaker no talk reach to convince the audience. The speaker did not speak enough to convince the audience. Guys, that's all we have for today. Should you have any questions on this topic or need further clarification, you can hit me up on the comment section below. Make the most of your time and see you in the next lesson. Thanks for watching. Peace is in. My name remains Bafo.